Okay, today I'm going to make my Shelly Art Bloom pouring medium. I always use BEHR house paint Deep Base 2-8300. I've tried many different brands of house paint. This one works the best for me. I will now stick with it. I'm not going to get cheap and try to buy less expensive house paint. It only wastes money, so BEHR 8300 it is. I'm going to be using 3 parts of BEHR to 1 part Minwax Polycrylic. You can make as much or as little as you want. It's always just going to be 3-to-1 parts. So that's whether if you use half a cup, 1/3 cup, 1/4 cup, whatever it is, you're going to use 3 parts BEHR to 1 part Minwax Polycrylic. So I am just going to be using this measuring cup I have here, and I'm going to do ounces. I'm going to do 4, 8, 12. I'm going to use 12 parts of the BEHR. So that's 4 ounces of each, and I'm going to go up to 16 ounces with my polycrylic. There's no reason that you need to stir this paint. Okay, I'm going to go 4 ounces, 8 ounces, and 12 ounces. There we go. We'll add 4 ounces of the polycrylic. There. Now I have my mixture of 16 ounces of my pouring medium. It will last me quite a while. All depends on how much work I do, how many classes I teach. Normally when I prepare my pouring medium for my classes, I double this recipe. And there you have it. You have your pouring medium. Usually when I mix my colors, if I'm using tube paints, I will use about a tablespoon of pouring medium to about 1 teaspoon of my hard body paints. I don't normally use craft paints, but if I do, you're going to add more. You're going to add probably double the amount, about 2 teaspoons to 1 tablespoon of pouring medium. Okay, this is done.